Hi guys, welcome to your science lesson with Miss Kristensen. For the last 2 weeks, we have studied animals, their characteristics, and their basic needs. This week, we get to start learning about a new group of living things called plants. Your objective this week is, I can sort plants based on their physical characteristics, such as size, color, and leaf shape. Let's get started. I go on a walk almost every day, and when I do, I see tons of plants. Here are some pictures of some of the plants that I've seen. What type of plants did you see? How are these plants alike? How are these plants different? Take a moment now to discuss this with the adult helping you. Are all plants the same? Why or why not? Plants come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some plants produce flowers. Some plants produce fruits or vegetables. And some plants produce herbs that we use to cook with and to make medicines. Let's talk about some common types of plants. A tree is a tall, woody plant. Trees usually have one main stem called a trunk. A shrub is a plant with many woody stems, also known as a bush. Shrubs are smaller than most trees. Grass is a green plant with narrow, pointed leaves and jointed stems. Grass often covers lawns and meadows. A leaf is the part of a plant that uses light, air, and water to make food for the plant. Plants have many different types of leaves. When we describe leaves, we can use words to describe their size, shape, and color. We can also use numbers to describe the parts of the leaves. Now, let's look at some leaves and see if we can describe their characteristics. Think about what words you would use to describe these leaves. These leaves are yellow with smooth edges. You can also see green lines. These lines help bring water and nutrients to the leaf. These leaves are long, pointy, and green. Their edges are jagged, and there are lots of them on each branch. These leaves are brown with long and curvy edges. They are dry because they have fallen from their tree. This is a close-up picture of a leaf. You can see that it is long, pointy, and it has jagged edges. You can also see little lines running through it like the first leaves we looked at. These are pine needles, and just like on other plants, they are leaves too. These leaves are long, thin, green, and needle-like. These new pine needles are soft, but old ones are brown and brittle. From colorful flowers to tall trees, plants come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. These palm trees are tall and skinny, and these cacti are round and spiky. These forest trees are very tall, and these wildflowers are very small. These tulips are red, yellow, and pink, and this wheat is golden brown. Now that you have learned about the different characteristics of plants and leaves, watch how I sort some of the leaves I found outside. Let's review what you have learned. Leaves grow on trees, shrubs, and grasses. Each leaf can help tell you what kind of plant you are looking at. When you talk about leaves, you can use words to describe their size, color, shape, and texture. You can also describe how the edges feel and count the number of parts that make up the leaves. Your learning objective this week was, I can sort plants into groups based on their physical characteristics, such as size, color, and leaf shape. Can you name a type of plant right now? Use this sentence stem to share what you've learned. One type of plant is scientists. Your assignment this week is to go outside and collect 10 to 15 leaves, or as many as you want, and sort them into groups based on their size, color, or shape. You get to choose how you want to sort as long as there are at least 2 groups. Have an adult help you take a picture of your sorted leaf collection and upload it to the Google Classroom assignment. I hope you have a great week of learning, and I can't wait to see what all you discover as a scientist. Thanks for watching your weekly science lesson with Miss Kristensen. See you next time!